Welcome back everyone, Adam Solowitz here. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Hacks, Tips, and Tricks. And today, we're gonna be talking about this little baby right here, an egg. And I'm gonna show you how to hard boil an egg and make sure it peels perfectly. Now, in my culinary career, I've used two different methods over the years. And today, I'm gonna show you the method that I like to use. But before we get started, I'm gonna explain the two methods to you. So the first method being is starting off with room temperature water or cold water, put it directly into a pot. Then put the egg in, and then put the egg on the stove or put the pot on the stove and bring it up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, you turn off the flame and you let it sit for 12 minutes with the pot covered. And then you remove it, drop the eggs into an ice bath, and you have a perfectly boiled egg. But what I've come to find out using that method is that the shell ends up sticking to the egg. And the reason being is it's the egg protein ends up being stuck to it. Now, the method that I like to use is already starting off with boiling water. So water in a pot, put it on the stove, bring it up to a boil, drop the egg in, and let it go for 12 minutes. Once it's done, remove the egg, drop it into an ice bath. Once it's cool, remove, and you have a perfectly boiled egg. Not just that the shell will remove very, very easily. So, and the reason being is when you drop the egg into the boiling water, it helps separate the egg protein from the shell, which causes it to not stick. So today, I'm gonna show you the method that I like to use. Let's do this. All right, so hard-boiled eggs. So let's try this out. So we have the eggs here, all cool, ready to go. Let's give it a crack. Another crack. It's the moment of truth. See if I'm right. Look at that. Easy to peel. Hard-boiled egg. Beautiful. Now, is it actually hard-boiled? Bang! Perfect hard-boiled eggs. Just that easy. So, if you like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what tips and tricks you'd like to see next week. And again, my name is Adam Solowitz. Eat well.